Fam, even in the cold, people are demonstrating their creativity. Just take a look at this.
Hallelujah.
Hello. Beautiful and amazing Pathfinders fam. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. Happy New Year to every one of you. Yes, fam, it is snowing beautifully in my city right now. Oh my goodness. A lot of people are out here celebrating, demonstrating their creativity. Yes, because it's been over a decade. The last time it snowed, not even as much as this, was in the year 2009. Oh my God. Right now, we are all very, very excited. Although it is kind of restricting the movement, but we don't care. We don't care, fam, because we're loving it. Oh my God. Just take a look at the whole place. It's so white. Oh my goodness. Yes, just take a look at this, fam. It is a very exciting moment right now for us here in Azuqueca, Guadalajara, in Spain. Yes, we are so excited because it's something that we normally experience once in a while. So we are happy over this. Yes, fam. How are you all doing? Happy New Year to every one of you. May God bless you for your love and your support to me on this channel. And may everything about your life reflect and radiate purity in the name of Jesus. Yes, I just said let me seize this opportunity to wish each and every one of you Happy New Year. I know for those of you that are following me on my community tab, you've already seen that. Yes. So if you're not following me on my community tab, please do so well. All right, to follow me over there because I'll be posting things from time to time on our community tab. Okay, your community tab. Yes, fam, just take a look at this. Look, the traffic. Oh my God. Oh my God. For those of you that live in a country where it snows often, I want you to let me know in the comment section, how do you move about? Look, just look at it. A few drops, the whole place is filled up already, and cars are just stagnant. The snow has humbled us. Yes, fam. Thank you all so much. I'll be seeing you quickly and shortly. Yeah, we'll be starting very soon. Okay, so stay tuned. God bless you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.